In today's video, let's talk about the Logitech M185 wireless mouse, which I think is probably the best cheap mouse in the market. I have used the same model for around a year or so, and I bought one again for my new laptop as I really liked the first one. This is available in grey, blue and red in Amazon and costs around 800 rupees in India, which is around 12 US dollars. Let's start with the unboxing. In the plastic package, you get the mouse, a small user manual, and when you open the small cover on the back of the mouse, you can see the wireless USB receiver and a standard AA type battery. Also, there's a button for turning on or turning off the mouse and an optical sensor. The wireless USB receiver is very small, and after connecting to the laptop, I barely notice its presence. You can keep the receiver inside the mouse when you're traveling, and this is really helpful. The range is around 10 meters, which is more than enough for me. The company advertises a year of battery life, and I used the old one for more than a year and I never had to change the battery. Talking about the design, it's very ergonomic and symmetrical, so it can be used by both right-handed and left-handed people. It's a 1000 dpi mouse, definitely not a gaming mouse, but playing games like Fortnite was totally fine for me, and this is perfect for general use or things like video editing. It's a small mouse, but it's very easy to get used to if you're coming from a bigger mouse. I have used some of the smaller mice that are too uncomfortable, but these are totally fine. The bottom part doesn't get scratched up due to the raised legs, and the top part has a nice matte texture to it. The buttons have a nice satisfying clicking sound, and the scroll wheel is clickable too. The tracking for me was perfect, and it works with almost all operating systems like Windows, Mac OS or Chrome OS. Another thing is that you don't have to install any special software to use this. It's literally plug and play. In summary, if you're looking for a small, reliable and a comfortable mouse and don't want to spend a lot, I think this is the one to get, and it's totally worth the money. If you have any suggestions or doubts regarding the product, feel free to post in the comment section. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos. And thanks a lot for watching.